key component that is similar on all Mercedes from the mid-1960s right up to the mid-1990s is the emergency brake assembly. The emergency brake is located inside the rear brake drum or brake rotor. If you pull it off, you can see there are two shoes on each side here, and there's springs that hold it in place as well as an adjusting mechanism. What's unique about this is it uses shoes to hold the emergency brake while you still have the benefits of a caliper or pad brake for your normal braking. Some of you may be surprised to know that you can adjust the emergency brake without removing the rear brake rotor. It's done by going through one of these holes, and the procedure is outlined in my manual, Emergency Brake Repair and Adjustment, which is available on my website. I won't go into details here, but it is a fairly easy procedure. If you adjust your emergency brake and they're still not holding, then you're probably going to have to remove the caliper and the rear rotor and inspect the shoes. A lot of times these shoes will overheat because people have accidentally left their emergency brake on and driven for long distances. They'll overheat and crack, and you'll have chunks of this lining material that will actually fall off. So you get inside the rotor and you inspect these shoes. If they're badly worn or the brake rotor is badly scored on this inside surface, then you're going to need to start replacing parts. The procedure for replacing these shoes is also covered in my manual. Our shoe set comes with all the new springs and hardware you'll need to install these back on your rear hub. But replacement is not as easy as it looks. I've used all kinds of little tools to try to get to these springs and get them out. Ground long needle nose pliers to go through the hole. I've used vice grips to try to grab a hold of this lower spring to pull it out to get it hooked onto the bracket underneath. And in the end, I finally broke down and bought the factory tools. These are handy to have. I know they're a little expensive for a one-time job, but I at least wanted to show them to you in this video. This particular tool is designed to go right through one of these lug bolt holes and get on these hold-down springs to twist and to pull them out. This pull tool is designed to get underneath and get a hold of this long spring, and then you can pull on it to get it hooked onto the bracket. You know, there's nothing like having the right tool to do the job. While we're talking about rear brakes, there's another tool I need to show you that's one of my favorites. If you've ever struggled at trying to remove a rear or front brake pad, you'll appreciate this tool. It's designed to adjust to the width of the hole in the pads. You can insert it just like this and then get a hold of it and pull the pad right out of the caliper. You'll enjoy this one. So in conclusion, I just want to let you know that we carry all these parts for you. We have special rotors that have a coating on them that will minimize rust problems that you see a lot on these cars. We have the new rear emergency pad sets along with the hardware and all the tools. So I would recommend that you just visit my website and use the search box. You can type your chassis number and then type rear brake or front brake, and it'll take you right to the listing of all our parts.